Guys, I'm back with another unboxing video, and this video is about the BT21 and Olive Young collaboration. So I ordered the items through Korean Buddy. If you check out the link in the description box below, you'll see they offer services like if there's anything that you want to buy online or in stores, you can always send it to Korean Buddy, which they will buy it for you and then ship it to your house. I like Korean Buddy because before they ship those items, they would take a picture of those items for you just to confirm that everything is correct, and they allow you to choose which shipping methods you like with EMS tracking or without, and things like that. And the box arrived in perfect condition. So I'll open it now and show you guys what's inside. You can see the items were wrapped in bubble wrap, and yeah. So I bought makeup puffs and cleansing band from the collaboration. And just give me a second there while I take out everything. So I just decided to skip all that step and show you guys the products itself. So as you can see, I got Koya cleansing band, and Koya is really cute. I wanted to get Mang at first, but Mang was sold out, so I got Koya. Koya was actually sold out as well online. So I was actually disappointed because the reason why I got so many puffs was because I wanted to get the free photo card. So if you buy more than 50,000 Korean won, you'll be entitled to get a free photo cards. Yeah, two versions. One is version 1 and one is version 2. So I'll show you guys what's in version 1. So yeah, as I was saying, at first I was very disappointed because they couldn't get the cleansing band online, which mean I did not purchase more than 50,000 Korean won, which, I mean, in other words, I wouldn't be able to get the photo cards. So, but fortunately, they were able to get the cleansing band in stores and somehow managed to get a photo card for me as well, which was really great because I don't know how they did it, honestly. So do check out Korean Buddy if you have time. And oh, they do offer ticket purchasing services as well for concerts in Korea, so do check them out. Anyways, so this is Mang makeup puff kit. As you can see, oh, it's really cute there. And Tata and Chim Chim. Oh, Shuki. Oh, I got two Shukis because I thought it's seriously cute. Like, look at the milk there, and oh, look at that. So I was thinking I might want to keep one and not use it. I don't know. And that's Koya. That's the back there. And then there, oh, the plant is so cute. And then there is RJ in the back there. Last but not least, Shuki. So there. And then of course the cleansing band. It came in a box like this. So that's the back there. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys what's the puff like, how is the puff like. On the inside, I'm gonna take them out and show you, and of course the photo card. First thing first, I'm gonna show you guys the makeup puff. As you can see, it's like that. So that's the band there around the makeup puffs, and it's nothing in there. Okay. And this is the material. So the bag is spongy. I kind of expected it to be, you know, the ones with the smooth surface. At least your makeup wouldn't be that wasteful. And so, yeah, that is that one, and this is Shuki. So I'm gonna try it on with a concealer and see how well it blends. And this is by Pony Effect. I like it, it's really good. Here. So you guys can see.
So that's the sponge there, and there's the mark. I'm not really good at showing makeup tutorials and stuff, but this is how I would use it. Oh no. So the marker was originally there, was gone, I think. Okay, bear with me. I'm not good at makeup tutorials and stuff, filming makeup tutorials, so it's pretty awkward.
everything was blended, but well, not really. It doesn't seem to be blending. Okay, honestly, I don't really use like makeup puffs. Most of the time I use, the beauty blender, but the one with the holder. So it's kind of like different way of application, but I suppose it's pretty similar. And yeah, that's it. Okay, that's a fail. Anyway, it's pretty good. Like, that's what I was saying. It's kind of wasteful, because it's a sponge. It would have been better if it's like the smooth kind of surface. That is not a sponge like. And then the next one is the cleansing band. So you can see it's huge, which is good because it offers more coverage over your head, which means your hair won't fall over, and it's really soft. Like, it's perfect material for like blanket or pillows or plushies. And the band is large as well. It's really stretchable. So yeah, Koya. Last but not least, we have the photo cards. So that's how it is. And then here. And then yay! Oh, my hair. So there's the Koya and Shuki. I'm not a cookie. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. And this is the group version. So there. And RJ, I can chew everything. And Tata. Aw, it's really cute. It'd be nice to get the other photo card version as well, because like I mentioned earlier, this is just version 1. Version 2, they have different photo cards, which means from now you can see like Koya, Shuki, RJ, and Tata. In the other pack, you will have another group photo, and you will have then Cookie, Chimi, and Man, and the group photo card. Yeah, so 5. And yeah, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, my unboxing video, although that was a fail try, but yeah. So do check out Olive Young, and do check out Korean Buddy if you're ever thinking of getting something online, and a good and reliable website. Do check them out. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.